Hey folks, here we are with the Powertraveller Redstart 50. So we're going to give this a whirl today. It's a jump starter for your car, a lightweight lithium ion jump starter. So let's get into it. Here's the case. Alright, so here we have the battery. And the cables. Alright, so let's see how this works. Basically what we do is you take this cable set, looks like you plug it in here. Oh, looks like the light is illuminating, lets you know that it's working fine. Plug one cable here. And one cable over here. And looks like it's as simple as that. Comes with a nice case. Put that over here for a sec. And let's make sure the car will start.